Welcome back to DIY Sci. I'm Steve Spangler. All the silly tricks that we've done today, don't try this one at home.
Why?
Because it's a 13-pound bowling ball hooked to your ceiling, all right?
Okay.
But Randy likes science, and so here's what's gonna happen. Ready, Randy? I'm gonna put the little bowling ball right up to Randy's face. I'll stay there. And I'm gonna give it a little push. Ready, Randy? You're gonna love this. Watch. Whoop! Here it goes. Randy, watch it. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look. Oh!
Why would anyone try that at home?
Poor Randy. Good news, Randy's done.
Okay.
Better news, Higgs is the new Randy.
I don't think that's a good idea at all.
It's a great idea. See, when this ball swings like this, it's a great example of potential energy turning into kinetic energy. So when we bring the ball back like this, I'm adding potential energy, more energy, more energy, more energy. When I let it go, that's the energy of motion and kinetic energy. It's at home. And now, head straight back. Good job. And now, if I touch your nose with the bowling ball, got it?
Are you sure this works?
This is gonna be fine. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't move, Higgs. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Okay? This science will never fail you. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look right at the ball. Oh God, stay right there, don't move, don't move. That's the best. I said not to try this at home because I don't want you hooking a bowling ball to a rope to your ceiling. But it doesn't mean you couldn't try it with a piece of string in a tennis ball.
Don't try to trick me with this.
I'm not gonna trick you.
All right.
Still, it's no easier facing the bowling ball even if you understand the science. Just ask Carly. She's one of our producers. Head back, trust me.
No, I don't trust you.
Okay, let's see where.
No, that's too close.
Oh, yeah,
No,
yeah,
way
yeah,
too close.
don't move.
Way too close.
That is,
no.
I put you close. Don't let go. Head back, head back, head back, head back, head back.
No.
Stay there.
I can't,
All the way back. You're strapped in, okay? Okay, you're strapped in.
What?
Head in. Don't
Stop,
move. Whatever you do, don't move.
Right.
Don't move. Do
no,
not
too
move.
close. That's way
great.
too high.
Don't move.
No.
Don't move. Don't move. Swear. Head back. Head back. Head back. Head back. Oh, that was great. DIY Sci will be right back.